Y'all, I'm going to get some chicken ready for some outside cooking. I'm going to cook in my pizza oven. It's meant for just more than pizza, but I'm going to do some chicken. I've not tried chicken before in the pizza oven, but I'm going to today. I'm going to get these seasoned up. I got chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I prefer bone in and skin on, but they didn't have any, so I'm going to use boneless. And they don't take as long to cook either. They won't take no time to cook. And thighs are my favorite chicken. Piece of the chicken, part of the chicken. It's my favorite. Has more flavor. And you can't hardly dry them out. Yeah, these will not take long at all. I'm going to wash my hands right quick. Get all that chicken juice off. And I got some rice cooking too, just a simple side dish. And I got it pretty much done. I added some coriander to it and salt, and that's it. It's so pretty. It's a basmati. It's a basmati rice. So fluffy. But I'm going to have that as a side, and I might fix me some broccoli. I don't know yet. I'm going to add salt. You know I like my salt. And pepper. I'm still waiting on my new pepper mill. I think it's supposed to be here tomorrow. I'm sure everything's running behind because of the bad weather. But I need it so bad. And I'm pretty much going to put about the same stuff I always put on almost everything. The same spices. Let me get them all together here. I got onion powder. Garlic powder. I'm going to flip these over and put this on the other side too. What else? Parsley. Italian. I think that's all for this. Like I said, I pretty much use the same spices. Almost everything. Flip these over. Man, I wish these had the bone in and skin on. It's okay. They'll be just as good once I get these spiced up and herbed up. I'm going to let them sit for a little bit. And I'm going to fire up the pizza oven. And I'm going to take y'all along with me outside. It's a wood-fired pizza oven. It's kind of time consuming. You got to keep wood in it, keep it up to temperature. But I love it. I've only used it a couple times. I've had it for a few years. I've only used it a couple times to make pizza. And it did really well. My pizza, you have to for pizza if you want to. I can get that baby up to 800 degrees. But on this chicken, I won't have to get it that hot. It's hard to keep it at 800 degrees. This probably gave me about 350. That's probably all I'll need for this. But yeah, I've got it seasoned up. I got my rice done. I'm going to let this sit for a little while and let it marinate. Then I'll bring y'all back. Welcome to the great outdoors, y'all. I'm getting ready to put my chicken on in the pizza oven. It is preheated. I have to keep putting some wood in it. Keep it up to temperature. Got me a pan preheating. Dust. I'm going to hot. It's going to cool down too. I'm going to put my chicken on here. Ooh, it's sizzling. That's a good sign. It's going to cool down a lot. First time I've ever done chicken in a pizza oven. Let's get this baby in here. Fire in the hole. Ooh. It's going pretty good. Pretty good. Now, we'll let it cook. Feels good. First time I got this pizza oven, it was summertime. And that is a no-no to cook on this thing, in the summertime. It is hot. It feels good right now. It's got to get back up to temperature. We'll see. It won't take these chicken thighs too long to cook. Put this to the side. Ashes. Got me a clean bowl. Oh, it feels good. Getting back up to temperature. I'm going to open the little peephole there. Feed the fire. Feed the fire. Little pieces. I got a funny story while it's cooking. My ducks, I let them out sometimes to go in the yard and forage in the yard. Well, they always seem to want to run to the neighbor's yard. Well, my husband's friend caught him one day, and he asked, he's got a trail camera set up in our neighbor's yard. I think that's what you call it, trail camera. Anyway, he called my husband, sent him a picture, and asked if he's seen any strange people around our area, and the picture, I guess you had to be there. My husband was like, yeah, that's my wife. I was going to the neighbors to get my ducks from where they run over there. Couldn't stay in our yard. They go over there. And I was on the trail cam. And if I can, I'm going to insert the picture, if I can. Yeah, that was funny. I still laugh. It's up to almost 500 degrees. I don't really want it to get that hot, but it'll cool back down. We will see if this works out. Feels good anyway. Yeah. That was funny. My husband's like, yeah, that's my wife. I still laugh. I still laugh. Ducks don't want to stay in our yard. They want to go to the neighbor's yard. I don't know why. It's cooking. Not cooking that. Feed the fire. Ooh, yep. Don't want it to go out. Takes a lot of wood. Alright, y'all. I'm going to let this cook, and I will bring you back when it's done. Alright, y'all. I'm going to check this to see if it's done. It looks done. Ow, that's hot. Look at that. Chicken in a pizza oven. Boneless, skinless thighs. It looks done, y'all. I should have brought my thermometer. Oh yeah, it's done. Knock my hands off. It's done, y'all. I'll let the fire go out. Now would I want to do bone in and skin on? Probably not, because it takes a lot of wood. But breasts would probably do good, because they don't take long to cook. But bone, skinless thighs, yeah. Alright, I'm going to take this in, and I'll bring y'all back. Alright, y'all, I'm going to finish up this video by showing you what I got. My nose is probably red from being outside, and my cheeks. I steamed me some broccoli, butter, and we got the basmati rice and the chicken thigh. Yeah, I'm gonna take a bite. pizza oven worked pretty good. Didn't take as long as I thought. Rice and broccoli are good too. But yeah. First time ever doing chicken in a pizza oven. It works. Do about whatever. Just gotta feed the fire with a wood fired. Come on. I'm gonna go eat. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Have a good day.